this Liu channel. My name is Martin. I hope you have a great day. Today we make a dish. It's called the fried chicken strips with spiced salt dipping. Chinese name called 椒盐鸡柳. The main ingredients we need the chicken breast. I got 3 pieces of chicken breast and fresh made spiced salt. This spiced salt dipping or seasoning or mixture we use. Those are the main ingredients we need for this dish. Okay, we cut the chicken breast. This breast are the boneless, skinless chicken breast. We cut like this. This breast like this. We cut it like this. So the final will be like this. This is the chicken we get. Okay, we're seasoning the chicken. This is the plain salt. We add half teaspoon plain salt to it. This is the black pepper. We add a pinch of black pepper to it. Don't add too much. This is a Chinese cooking wine. If you don't have Chinese cooking wine, you can add some alcohol in your house. You just add 1 tablespoon of alcohol to it, or beer, anything. Don't add too much. This is a vegetable oil. We add half tablespoon vegetable oil to it. Okay, we use the hand to grab the meat to let it season well. Okay, this chicken already seasoning. The way we use a plastic wrap to wrap it and put it in the room temperature for 15 minutes. Then we will fry it. Now we make the coating for the chicken. We add 1 cup of starch to it. Potato starch or corn starch is either okay. This is the wheat flour. Wheat flour add we add a half cup of wheat flour. This is the salt. Salt, we add 1 teaspoon salt to it. This is the black pepper. We add a half teaspoon black pepper to it. This is the soy sauce. We add 1 tablespoon soy sauce to it. This is a paprika. We add some pinch of paprika to it. Don't add too much. This is the cold tap water. We add cold tap water to it. We add 1 cup to see. This is 2 cups. Second cup. Okay, we mix it. Add 1 whole egg to it. Okay, mix it. It seems I check it. We still need to add more starch to it. We need to add half cup of starch to it. Half cup of starch to it. And keep mixing. We add a quarter cup of wheat flour to it. Okay, right now I feel, yeah, right now it's good. Because you can see when it's on the chopstick, the stuff and coating on the chopstick, not just like water and just go down. Okay. So this coating is ready. Turn the stove. 10 to 6, medium fire. This is vegetable oil. We add, I think, 3 cups to 4 cups vegetable oil to it. Okay, rinse the pot. Just be careful, don't get it off. And today, just wait until the oil is hot, then we can fry. When we put a chopstick in the oil, you see the bubble come out from the tip of the chopstick. That means this oil is ready. Now we will fry our chicken. We get a piece of chicken. We'll get some piece of chicken and put it into the dipping. Get some. Into the dipping. Okay, then we fry it. We add the coated chicken. We add the chicken, cut the chicken into this and in our coatings, and then just add to the oil and fry. Okay. Don't add too much one time. Just let it fry. When the bottom side is become firm, and we just turn over to fry the top side. Right now it is just fry when they are become golden brown. It's easy to separate them. So just let it slowly fry. You fry one side well, then turn over, fry the other side. Then both sides to become golden brown. When you fry it, just be careful, don't burn that oil. Very careful, don't stand too close. Until the chicken's both sides become golden brown and fully cooked. Now you can see that when the both sides right now become golden brown, and so the chicken is very crispy. And so we just get it out to drain the oil, and this is done. Go drain the oil. And we add more to it to fry. Coated the chicken breast, chicken. A little more, maybe don't fry too much one time. Just let it fry. Just keep repeat and fry all the chicken. Now the fried chicken strips, this dish is done. I hope you like it. Please subscribe, share, like, and comment. And see you next time.